Network. Here we are to the website of the project. Array Network is a cutting-edge decentralized ecosystem built to revolutionize the future of blockchain, artificial intelligence, and real-world utilities. Designed for speed, scalability, and user empowerment. Array combines AI-driven tools with a secure, energy-efficient Layer 1 chain, making Web3 accessible for everyone. So here we have details of Array Network. This is a new standard in blockchain excellence, the definitive enterprise blockchain platform setting the gold standard for institutional performance, redefining what's possible with next generation infrastructure engineered by tomorrow applications. Here we have option to register, so you can register yourself on this website, and we also have the TPS benchmark, which is 2,50,000 plus. Then here we have some more features of their transaction per second, their block finality, network uptime, which is 99.99%. So you can access DEX screener from here. So all you have to do to access the DEX screener here, we can check out their swap token, etc. On this we have their trade tokens instantly with lowest fees and highest liquidity in Array Network. So you can connect your wallet from here, and then you are going to get the volume, liquidity, etc. on this. So you can check out the details of this. And here we have enterprise grade infrastructure built for mission critical applications. Every feature engineered with institutional requirement in mind, enterprise grade reliability, security, and performance standard that Fortune 500 companies depend upon their blockchain infrastructure. So their performance is high performance, their transaction per second with 0.1 second finality, enterprise grade throughout, designed for institutional applications, reliable performance, enterprise security, advanced cryptography with quantum resistant algorithm, formal verification and multi-layered security protocols. Then compatibility, full Ethereum virtual machine integration enabling seamless deployment of existing smart contract. Then scalability, native stat channels, optimistic rollups, and zero knowledge proofs integrated that proof protocol of scalability. Then here we have intelligence, and then their interoperability, native interoperability bridges connecting major blockchains and traditional financial ecosystem. Then compliance and development, comprehensive SDKs deployment tools, advanced debugging capabilities, and dedicated enterprise support. So here we have some features. So you can view the technical documentation right here. So you have to just need to click on this, and then you are redirected to the technical documentation. Everything enterprises need to succeed. There is a comprehensive suite for enterprise grade tools and service designed for institutional blockchain adoption. From development to development, security to scaling, engineered to institutional excellence. Their developer platform, enterprise grade development infrastructure, their enterprise solutions, mission critical infrastructure with guaranteed SLS, dedicated support, and custom integration for Fortune 500 operation with 99% SLA guarantee, 24/7 premium support, custom integration, white glove, etc. Then governance framework, security infrastructure, scaling solutions, cross-chain network. You can simply transform your enterprise here just for starting their building solution as well. So you can select out their details here. Here we also have the white paper of Array Network. So Array Network emerges as a definite evolution of blockchain technology, architecting an entrepreneurial future of ultra high performance military grade security. Powered by Array token, groundbreaking deflationary economics, and capped at a strategic 2.8 billion maximum supply, Array Network doesn't merely create another blockchain ecosystem, it forgets the foundational infrastructure for humanity transaction into a truly decentralized digital civilization. Here we have introduction of this Array Network solution, quantum leap, technological architecture, their coding, programming, their mechanism, architecture, everything is mentioned here, as well as we are going to get the compatibility, the tokenomics, in which 2.8 billion Array token, the initial circumstances of circulation 280 million, their mining distribution, there's token standard, everything is mentioned. Alright, so this was all about it. I'll drop the link of Array Network in my description, which you can use to access the project. Check your project by your own self, then you will be able to invest in it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.